None. Grab your apron and let's get cooking. First up, brown 2 pounds of ground beef and 1 pound of ground pork in a big old pot. Once browned, set them aside, but keep that tasty fat in the pot. Now, sear 1 pound of beef chuck cubes until they're browned on all sides. Set those aside too. If you're feeling fancy, saute a chopped onion till it's see-through, then toss in some minced garlic. Back in goes all the meat. Time to spice things up with chili powder, smoked paprika, cumin, black pepper, salt, oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, and a bit of cayenne. Toast those spices for a couple of minutes. Pour in 4 cups of beef broth and a cup of water. Maybe a little tomato paste if you're up for it. Bring it to a boil, then let it simmer on low for 1.5 to 2 hours. Stir now and then. Want it creamier? Stir in some heavy cream before serving. Ladle into bowls and enjoy. Top with cheese or sour cream if you're feeling extra. There you have it. Carnivore chili perfection.